Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how remove parental control on Windows 11. In first place, click on Start menu and select Task Manager. Here, go to Services tab. Choose the service on screen and click on Stop. After this, open Services from the search box. In this console, select and double-click on Parental Control Service. In the Startup Type field, select Disable to apply this. Click on Apply and OK. Now enter Firewall on search box. Click on Windows Defender Firewall. After, click on Allow an app of feature through Windows Defender Firewall. In this window, select Change Settings, locate Microsoft Family and uncheck both network options. Click OK. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.